Hi everyone, Jay here from jaysplainsfood.com with Dilly Grilly Salmon. Yes, this Dilly Grilly grilled salmon is so good that our family doesn't order salmon from restaurants anymore because no one makes it better than I do. And now I'm sharing all my secrets with you. So first, you're going to get your salmon portioned out into about 2-inch-ish wide pieces. This size might vary a little bit according to whether or not you're a center cut or a tail piece. You can also have your fishmonger portion this out for you if you don't want to do it yourself. You're going to place the pieces onto a sheet tray like so, and then sprinkle on salt, pepper, garlic powder, and dried dill weed. Why dry dill, you ask? Let me explain. Drying herbs like dill intensifies their flavor and allows us to store them for long periods of time without losing their flavor. When we use the dried herbs and spices, the water or fats in the dish wake up the dried herbs and release their flavors into the dish that they're in. Okay, so once the fish is all dillied up, we can get them onto our preheated grill. And just like the grilled Greek chicken recipe, I'm going to use a charcoal grill, the black kind that's shaped like a kettle, with 2-zone cooking areas set up. Why 2 zones, do you ask? Let me explain. 2-zone cooking means there's a hot side for searing your food and then a cooler side for finishing the cooking. 2 levels of heat allow us to sear the outside of food and finish on the cooler side so we don't wind up with blackened outsides and raw insides, because no one likes raw fish. So, first, place the fish skin side down on the grill over the hotter side to sear the skin and get it nice and crispy, just like the Greek chicken skin, remember? And then we rotate the grill grate like so, or if your grill doesn't spin like this one, just go ahead and move the fish from one side to the other, from the hot side to the cool side. Cover up the grill to help speed up the cooking a little bit, placing the vents over the cooler side to allow the heat and smoke to surround and flavor the food on its way out the vents. And once the skin is nice and crispy, it's time to flip the food onto the fleshy side to finish cooking. How do you know when it's time to flip it? Let me explain. So you know it's time to flip the fish when the skin has let go or released itself from the grill grates. If you try to flip it too soon, the skin will stick and you'll tear it up and damage the flesh, possibly losing it down the grill and into the coals. That's not a good time. You want to eat the food, not burn it on your coals. So, carefully flip it over. And once you flipped it, it shouldn't take that long to cook and finish. You'll know it's done when it's just about falling apart. Be gentle with it. It's flaky and can fall apart easily, so take care to use big enough spatulas and tongs in conjunction with each other to help get it off the grill and onto your sheet tray. Also be careful not to overcook the fish. Always err on the side of underdone, because overdone salmon is dry and nobody likes dry fish. So, place the fish on a clean sheet tray, lightly tent with foil until ready to serve. This Dilly Grilly Salmon is so good you'll never order salmon at a restaurant again. Be sure to give it a try soon. I just know you'll love it. And then head on over to jaysplainsfood.com for the full recipe and ingredient amounts today. And come back next week and I'll explain another one to you.